Hello, welcome back to this hobby of ours. My name is D, and in this watch collecting game, a worker needs his tools. In this week's episode, we're going to check out a few of mine. Here we have a bit of watch repair today. This is my Tudor Big Block 79180 that just came in, the Tutona, the watch that G Money and I both hunted, and now we both own these little beauties. The problem with the watch is with the bracelet. The bracelet's a little flimsy, but it's really the end links that have the real issue. Even these end links have strap gap, bracelet gap. The fitment of the end link is not, just over a period of time, it just loosens up. These are hollow end links, which are not pleasant. But what we're going to do is we're going to crimp this down a little bit in order to kind of make that gap less and have the fitment be a little better. I've already done this one over here, so I know this works. And in order to do it, you're going to need a yellow toothpick, although I imagine a green or a blue one would work just as well. But the key thing is effectively a bench vise, which this is not a bench vise. This is the Seiko S-212 watch head holder. Gosh, watch head holder. But this is the tool you would use to put the watch head in here in order to work on the watch itself. But because of the mechanism, I'm going to use it as a makeshift bench vise. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this end link into the channel, holding it on the toothpick here to keep it steady, and I'm going to slowly turn this in and uniformly bring these prongs closer together, but not just the prong ends, the entire thing. I'm just going to squish it a little bit. Now you have to be very, very careful. This is not for the faint of heart, because if you put it too much, if you do too much vise, you're going to end up with a little steel sandwich. So this is the good one I've already done. I'm going to take a moment, pop this off, and get to work on this one. As you can see here, I have the toothpick in one of the spring bar holes of this end link, and I'm going to put it down into this channel and gently just turn this over and over and smush it together a little bit at a time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit, take it out, test it, put it back on the watch, and if it needs more, I'm just going by microns here. So let's get a look at this one. Let's see if we can get this going a little bit. And let's check it out. All right, moment of honesty. This never happens for me. I got it pretty much right the first time. I don't know how I got it right, exactly right, basically the first time out with this one. It took me, probably because I was practicing with this one and I got this one done first. But here we have a bad end link that is now good, right? And cautionary tale, be careful when you're doing it. And this Seiko S-212 is not a tool you would buy expressly for this purpose. If you do anything with your watches beyond changing the straps and the bracelets, you should pick one of these up. They're, gosh, I think it's $130. That sounds like a lot, but those janky plastic ones that you get in the inexpensive toolkits, they will not serve you well. This thing has been awesome for anything. I mostly use it in order to take the case backs off of watches, because this triple vise system, whether you've got a chronograph or a regular time-only watch, you can move these prongs around and it's going to hold your watch absolutely safely. So we'll let this video be a testament to how awesome this little Seiko tool is, and it was never designed to fix cheap end links, but it did it. Oh, don't forget, these don't come with the yellow toothpick. These are sold separately. I can hardly believe it myself. Both end links fixed. Absolutely gorgeous. Love this piece. Love it. Thank you, Yellow Toothpick. Alright, somebody give me a beat. The winner of the G-Shock and related items is Ba-Bam! Alright, now top secret instructions. Go back to the video, the Watch People's Meetup NYC, and on the comment that you wrote to me saying you wanted in on this here contest, write to me and give me some means of communicating with you outside of YouTube. Do not put your home address and phone number on there. Give me an email, give me your Instagram handle, whatever it takes. Some means that we can communicate offline and exchange addresses, and I can get all this wonderful stuff shipped out to you. And I hope you enjoyed. I hope you wear it in good health. And thank you so much for coming along on the ride. It's meant so much. And I'm glad I could share a little bit of this watch hobby with you in this fabulous hobby of ours. Thank you so much, and God bless.